sometimes I notice something that's good for a quick tip. And I just noticed one thing. I was on a slope making a video about the kickstand. And one thing that I do, I got used to doing it, is to hold my bicycle with my knee. With my knee. See? How do you do it? You just put the pedal in a way that if you move it, you can hold your bikes. And that's it. Funny, isn't it? Just easy one. So I like to share with you. Quick tip, if you are in a slope or sometimes just to hold your bike, just put the pedal in a way that you can hold your bike, and that's it. And you need no hands. See, one hand's here, the other one's here, and I'm holding my Brompton in a way that it doesn't fall. Okay, very small tip. Hope you like it. Bye-bye.